Sliding wardrobes are becoming ever increasing features, not just in the bedroom, but across the rooms of the home. So, what is that? Is addition to bring your home and set apart from traditional wardrobes and cupboards. And without hang wardrobes, sliding wardrobes allow you to make more use of floor space within your home. What's more, with them being to built into exiting walls, you are essentially creating additional storage space without compromising on your exiting areas. As well, space savings with many sliding wardrobe designs and systems integrating mirror, the use of reflection in room help to maximizing the appearance of the space with light. So not only are you getting to more floor space, lighting, sliding wardrobe system offered to timeless modern style, aesthetically pleasing to the eyes, especially when compared to more traditional storage solutions. The fitting of each wardrobe allow to them blend seamlessly into the most walls with the ability to customization, colors and finishes to suit your room. Whatever you are looking for something with heavy and contemporary feel, minimalistic design or planning towards our oriental side of you can. And the bedroom is easily one of the room which gets the most clutter over time, as after it's where you bring to and end your day with nap in between. What sliding wardrobes offers in way of storage is convenient. They provide easy access with no fiddy handles and combined with the sleek operation alongside the ability to customization with internal storage to meet your own personal needs. And sliding door wardrobes have pretty much taken the wardrobes with room. Sliding doors offer ranges of functionality which are not only found in convenient wardrobes and with a range of customization offers, and one can really is lot of with limited amount of space. Sliding door wardrobes can be not only help you reduce visual appeal and physical clutter, they provide smarter way to organize, and sliding door wardrobes comes with ranges of styling and personalization options are available which can be designed to make the most of your available spaces. For example, one can customize the look and feel their wardrobe to almost any imaginable color and finish. Choose from vast ranges of colors and finishes, from lacquered glass, decorative mirrors, colored glass, shades glass, party, foster mirrors, wood grains, or even combine of style suit your room and taste. And sliding door wardrobes can be used in multiple areas in your home or at your office. Sliding door wardrobes with mirror finishes can be used dressing mirror placed in your bedroom, and you can now also have mirror in front of which you can practice your dance or acting in privacy. And you can use the wardrobes to store your useful office files and anything, while adding twinkle of classes on a usual decor spice up in the work environment. Mirrors can be just about any room seem bigger. If you have small room, pair your mirror wardrobe with large couches create illumination of the space. Unlike indoor wardrobes, sliding mirror doors provides SOSS through single wide doors without having to open, shut multiple doors and reach various objects. Because sliding door wardrobes can be customized and they allow the room be used the utmost, whatever is a need, whatever your bedroom, living room, kids room, customization enable to greatest space optimization while space saving for necessary furniture pieces. Sliding door wardrobes can be built directly into the wall and can be made to reach from floor to ceiling. Never mind if the ceilings is high. Sliding door wardrobes can be designed in way that you need to be have the height of the gain to reach of the most areas either to utilizing clever by designing by using hanging rails, shelves, boxes, racks, drawers, and etc. You will never have trouble organizing your wardrobe or finding less used stuff. Overall, sliding door wardrobes offers the best storage space, functionality, and utility. They are very versatile options for both homes and offices and make them organizing your personal and professional space and easy and ever enjoyable experience. Sliding door wardrobes can be adapted of your changing needs. For example, as your children grow older, in terms of styles and substance and customization, sliding doors wardrobes are best option available once you can choose. And so, friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share it. In this video, help for you. You can share this video, like and share, comment. Thank you for
Lightnings
watching.
may be determined by the space available. If space maximizes issue, the height of drawers and shelves, this means the vertical strip lighting will give more constant. The horizontal strip lighting which will allow self and rope heights. Randall suggests warm lighting in best view in the clothes. This way you get true color of the clothing and it's lot of softer on the eyes. It's also help with maintaining the longevity